Kung business owner ka, ito ang dalawang malaking pagkakamali kung bakit hindi lumalago ang negosyo mo. Marami ako nakikita entrepreneurs, sobrang sipag, gising hanggang madaling araw, pero stuck pa rin sa same income level buwan-buwan. Hindi effort ang kulang. Alam mo kung ano? Strategy ang mali. Kaya ito yung dalawang mistakes na dapat mong iwasan ngayon pa lang. Mistake number 1, umaasa ka lang sa traditional methods. Flyers, referrals, tarpaulin, word of mouth. Yes, gumagana pa rin, pero limitado. Kung gusto mong makipagsabayan, kailangan mong mag-adapt sa digital at AI-powered tools na nagtatrabaho kahit tulog ka. Mistake number 2, wala kang follow-up system. Imagine, may 100 inquiries ka ngayong araw. Kung mano-mano lahat, 80% niyan nawawala sa'yo. Pero kung may automation, chatbots, email reminders, mas mataas ang chance na bumalik sila at bumili. Business is not just about working harder. It's about working smarter. At yun ang difference ng negosyo na lumalago at negosyo na nai-stuck. This is Coach Clint saying, don't just work hard, work smart. Follow for more tips on how to start, grow, or scale your business online.